And getting in more breaking news, Rahul Gandhi's strategic advisor Sachin Rao has arrived at the airport. We are being told that ministers Mohammad Akbar and Ravindra Chaubey are also with him. Now, this appears to be the last attempt on the formula of the 2.5 years, trying to convince Bhupesh Baghel not to create a situation of rebellion in the Congress party. So there you can see how the Congress is now sending an emissary to Chhattisgarh, and Sachin Rao, Rahul Gandhi's strategic advisor, has arrived to the Chhattisgarh airport, the Raipur airport, and Sumi is joining us with more details on the same. Sumi, you know, the party high command had already made it clear that they are going to be following the 2.5-year formula that was discussed earlier on, with indications coming in that it is time's up for Bhupesh Baghel, and so that there is no rebellion that continues in the Congress party. Now, some sort of damage control that is being done by the party high command. What more information are you picking up?
Advisor has now landed in Raipur, that is the capital of Chhattisgarh, and in fact it is very, very significant. माइक ऑफिसर माइक की बैटरी चली गई है, बैटरी गई है, नहीं जा रहा है.
We'll connect that line with Sumi, who's tracking those developments from Chhattisgarh. Remember, what's happened earlier on is that the party high command has hinted at the fact that they will very much be going ahead with the 2.5-year formula, following which T.S. Singh Deo was also in the national capital, holding meetings with several of those top Congress leaders in Delhi itself. And now we are picking up information of how Rahul Gandhi has sent his strategic advisor Sachin Rao to Chhattisgarh. He has arrived at the Raipur airport. We're also picking up more reactions on the same. Listen in.
और जहाँ तक मेरे आने की बात है तो हम लोग विधायक, मंत्री, पॉलिटिकल लोग सीएम साहब से रोजाना ही लगभग मिलते हैं, उनसे गाइडेंस लेते हैं कि किस दिशा में जाना है, क्या काम करने हैं, अपनी बातें भी बताते हैं उनको, हमारी कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसीज की इश्यूज बताते हैं. तो ये जनरल मुलाकात है, कुछ भी स्पेशल नहीं है.
सर, ये सारे रूमर्स हैं, चीफ मिनिस्टर भूपेश बघेल ही रहेंगे फॉर द रेस्ट 2 years ऑल्सो.
देखिए, ऐसा है, भूपेश बघेल जी सर्वमान्य नेता हैं, छत्तीसगढ़ के लोकप्रिय नेता हैं, जन नेता हैं. उन्होंने छत्तीसगढ़ की अस्मिता, छत्तीसगढ़ की कांग्रेस, आदरणीय राहुल जी के मार्गदर्शन में निरंतर पहचान देने का, उसको मजबूत करने का काम कर रहे हैं और निरंतर ऐसे ही करते रहेंगे.
All right, Sumi is back with us on the line. Sumi, you know, we saw how several of those MLA supporters of Bhupesh Baghel rushed to his residence and have been holding meetings with him ever since, that indication came in from the party high command. And sensing that, now Rahul Gandhi has sent his advisor to Raipur. What more can you tell us?
Yes, it is a very significant development that has taken place here in Chhattisgarh. Rahul Gandhi's political advisor Sachin Rao, along with ministers Mohammad Akbar and Ravindra Chaubey, are now here to pacify and also to placate Bhupesh Baghel to resign and to vacate the seat of chief ministerialship and to make it vacant for T.S. Singh Deo, who happens to be the health minister. And remember, these are the two stalwarts who have been engaged in a scuffle since the end of June, because that's when the agreement came to an end. The commitment came to an end of 2.5-year tenure of Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel. And now these developments are taking place, which are very, very significant in its own manner. In fact, yesterday also, there was this hurried meeting, late-night emergency meeting that was also convened by Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel at his residence, where more than a dozen MLAs were part of the meeting, and they were certainly strategizing the further course of action as to how to go about this entire resignation of his and how to really vacate the seat for Chief Ministerialship. And in fact, these political advisors have come here to convince him for the last time so that no display of rebellion takes place within the Chhattisgarh Congress. As we know...
Absolutely. You know, and why this is questionable is because, Sumi, there are supporters of Bhupesh Baghel who are saying that he will continue as the chief minister and that there are no differences between him and T.S. Singh Deo. So it remains to be seen how this plays out and if the interference helps at all. Thank you for getting us that input. Slipping into a